First-time homeowners, if you want to keep your dehumidifier dehumidifying, you need to know how to clean the filters. Oh, also, your dehumidifier has filters.
Don't look so guilty. Your parents probably didn't know this either. Then again, these are the same people that sit down at a Michelin-starred steakhouse and order their filet mignon well done. During periods of frequent use, lint, dirt, dust, dander, and other debris sucked into your dehumidifier filter build up, impeding circulation and reducing efficiency and performance. So unless you like the nooks and crannies of your body moist and musty during the dog days of summer, you need to clean your dehumidifier filters at least every 2 weeks. Luckily, doing this DIY task is a breeze. Here's how. Turn off the dehumidifier and unplug it. Note, never run the unit when the filter is out, as it can cause severe clogs. Find the air filter or filters on your particular dehumidifier model. It may have multiple. Remove the filters per manufacturer's instructions. Clean the filter gently with warm, soapy water. Note, do not wash your filters in the dishwasher. Scrub gently with a toothbrush to eliminate stubborn, stuck-on stuff. Rinse the filters off. Let the filters air dry fully before putting them back into place. Reinsert the filters into the unit in the reverse way you removed them. Plug the unit back in. Turn it back on. And there you have it. Your dehumidifier filters and your conscience are clean. And hey, let your parents know that if the server says they can't bring them A1 sauce, it ain't because the restaurant ran out.